I'm your teacher as a facilitator. My name is Lovely Khanna. Today I want to give about my coaching classes information. My coaching classes starts from class 1st to 10th and registration starts from 1st Feb. So please enroll your names in my coaching classes. 2 demo classes free, 50% discount on first 20 students. After 15 days progress report give to parents. Doubt sessions and tests conduct on every Sunday. And right now I will teach you Prefix. So please enroll your name in our coaching institute. Thank you. Prefix Part 2. ADA Access Admit Antibiotics Antioxidant Bipolar Bifocals Contra Counter Contradict Depress Disadvantage Expose Extraordinary Hyperactive Mistake Nonsense Object Polygon Prevent Sympathy Triple